So a workflow that's very popular these days is to use feature branching. And what this involves is by creating additional branches off the master branch, we're able to get isolation from everyone else. So you can make your changes, put them up, have someone review them, and then they get merged past to master. And we'll do that now and have a look to see how that affects the branches that we get to see here in the local and the remote GitHub ones. So currently we're on master. So generally to make a new branch, people do git checkout and then -b, and -b means make a new branch. And not feeling inspired, let's just call it new feature. And you'll notice over here now that our local repository has this new feature branch here, and it's actually made it green to point out that's actually the branch that you're currently on. But currently hasn't diverged. It's exactly the same as master. But GitHub itself has no idea what new feature is. We have not sent it to GitHub at all. It's only local. So let's make a little change. Okay, and then we'll do the git add, and we'll do a git commit with a little bit of text. Excellent. Okay, so let's do a git push now. And you'll notice that it says, I don't know where that is. Where is git this new feature branch only exists here. I don't know where to push it to. Where do you want to send it to? And usually, you know, we want to send it up to GitHub again. So if we do this, then this now tells Git, now push this, but by the way, if it's not there, go and set it. So now you'll see new feature is available over here as well. So if you go to GitHub, we'll find the same thing. Now, you'll notice that there's an extra text being printed out here. This is GitHub saying, if you would like to create a pull request, then you can go to this link here, which we'll do this now. It's probably worth saying pull requests are nothing to do with Git. This is just something that GitHub and a few other tools like GitLab have created to make it easier in order to merge changes in between and work together. So you see it's open this link here, we're on GitHub, it's in the repository, but it's open this little thing here that allows us to say what this is about, and then other people can review it. So this creates a pull request, which again has nothing to do with Git, so it doesn't show in any of the terminals you see. And usually people look at the files change to go, what's happening? Oh, okay, that's okay. So they then might say they reviewed it, but generally they'll press merge this pull request. And what that does is it actually takes that change that was on that branch, and if nothing's gone wrong, it can put it onto the master branch. And actually you can see here, it's actually given us, since generally we don't want to keep these branches around afterwards, we can hit delete branch to delete this branch that we're not going to use very much. Okay, so this puts our repository in a very interesting state. So if we do a git pull now, what I'll point down, you'll see that master now has got this little message saying merge pull request. That was the thing that we just did. So if we go back to master, and so now we've gone back to master, we can see locally we still have this new feature branch, which is still there, but also it's still showing as new features available on GitHub because we've got a local copy of what we think GitHub has. So the way we fix that is we do a git pull -- prune. And that will say any branches that have been deleted, like for example, the one we had, new feature, you can remove it from here. And now it's not there anymore. We've still got this new feature locally, and it doesn't hurt to keep these around, but it's a bit nicer to tidy up when we're done. So if we do a -d new feature, that also cleans it up here. And now we're back to just having the branches which we always have, which are the master branches on both sides, along with anything we're currently working on. But since we're not, then we're all good.